fascism and Nazism. Rise of fascism and Nazism. In this topic, we are going to discuss about meaning. What is meaning of fascism? What is meaning of Nazism? And last, earlier stage. What was happened actually before World War? Before World War One. And last, how the rise of fascists and Nazis is taken place in our country. Fascism as well as Nazism. How it rised in the world. How it rised in the world. Mussolini and Hitler. Mussolini and Hitler. And we are going to get in our topic. Then see here. Fascism. What is the meaning of fascism? Fascism is nothing but it's a Roman language which is occurred from fascio. What?
Fascio.
Fascio is an Roman word. Fascio is an
Roman word.
Due to that fascio, the name fascism is occurred. Due to that fascism is occurred. What is the meaning of fascism here? Fascism is nothing but a bundle of rods. A bundle of rods. What it signifies? It signifies towards the unity or a section. For example, if you take a rod, and if you try to bend it, then automatically you can bend it. But if you try to bend a bundle of rods, is it bended? No, you cannot disshape it. You cannot disfigure it. Are you able to disfigure it? No. It means what? It means unity and it means strength. Right? A bundle. Bundle of rods. Bundle of rods. It signifies what meaning? Fascism. Then, what is the meaning of fascism here? Fascism actually, you learned about fascism. The fascism means the bundle of rods. Means anyone can beat one person, but no one can beat a crew or a group. Right? Easily I can beat Laya, but easily I cannot beat all you guys. Is it possible? No, it's not possible. It's not highly possible. It is highly impossible. Right? It means unity and it means strength. Fascism means unity and strength. But what is the meaning of ism? What is the meaning of ism? What is the meaning of ism? Ism is nothing but a distinctive doctrine, theory, system, or an ideology. See here, I tell you, ism. We are discussing about ism. It may be fascism or it may be Nazism. What is the meaning of ism here? What is the meaning of ism? It may be any ism. For an example, if I join Buddhism, if I ism, Amma Dala Pawan But what is the meaning of ism here? Ism means a system. Ism means what?
System.
What? When these countries they completely attracted towards Mussolini. What is the meaning of ism here? Mussolini maintains ism. What is the meaning of ism here? Come on, I'll tell you. For example, I started an organization. What type of organization it may be? But I started an organization and I prepared my own rules and regulations. I prepared an organization as well as I started my own rules and regulations. And I ordered my members should follow these rules and regulations. And I ordered my members to follow these rules and regulations. And you should do this, and you should not do this. You should wear these kind of dresses. We promote our ideology and take to the people. Like, let me explain you easily. Suppose I founded an organization, as well as I prepared few rules and regulations. After preparing those few rules and regulations, what I am doing here, I am taking it to you. And as well as I ordered you must follow these rules and regulations, and you should do what I say, and you should not do that I didn't say to you. You have to obey me. You have to obey me. And I have put some terms and conditions saying that you must wear this type of dress. You must wear this kind of dress, and you should not wear this kind of dresses for an example. These were the terms and conditions. Later that, you are the followers of mine. You are the followers of mine. After you are following me, what I am doing, including with you, I am taking this ideology towards you. I am taking this ideology towards the people. Right? And I am maintaining a system. I am maintaining a system. What type of system? For an example, it may be Bhavajala. In Telugu, we may call it as a Bhavajala. Or in Hindi, we may call it as a Bhavajala. Or Bhavajala. సిస్టమ్ని కానివ్వండి, ఐడియాలజీని కానివ్వండి, ఇక్కడ ఏం చేసిన అంటే నా యొక్క సొంత సంస్థను స్థాపించింది. ఒక సంస్థను స్థాపించింది ఏం చేసిన అంటే you have joined in my organization. You have joined in my organization. Let us that what have we? I have made some rules and regulations. And the guys who joined in my organization, I said them to follow these rules and regulations. And you have to do what I said. And you did not, and you didn't disobey me. And you should not disobey me. I said, unless I put some terms and conditions on saying you that, according to rules and regulations, you should wear this type of dress only. You should speak this type of language only. You should not disobey me. Right? This is called an ideology. This is called an ideology. But what type of ideology it is? It means which is very highly criticized other countries or which is highly patriotic ideology. కంప్లీట్ గా దేశభక్తితో కూడినటువంటి ఐడియాలజీ దేంతో కూడినటువంటిది దేశభక్తి. Let's see what was the principles of the fascism. What was the principles of fascism? Both maintain same idea. Both maintain
same idea.
The names may be different. For an example, if I put a N-A-Z-I Nazi, I-S-M. First of all, try to understand what is Nazism. What is ism? Ism is nothing but an ideology or a system. Ideology or a
system.
Right? Did you understand? I think you understand about the ism. Come on, let's discuss few of the principles of fascism and Nazism. See here, against democracy, socialism and liberalism. Means the fascism ideology or it may be Nazism ideology, they didn't believe in democracy. They didn't believe in a
democracy.
Means freeness. Demo means the people, cracy means rule, people rule. Right? They didn't believe in this socialism, democracy or an liberalism. Didn't believe in peace. Also they didn't believe in
Peace.
Then what they believe in? They believe in war. They believe in
War.
They believe in war as well as they don't believe in multiple parties. Don't believe in
Multiple parties.
as you are able to see that India is a democratic country. India is a
Democratic country.
And as well as in India you are able to see the number of parties, number of political parties. But when the ideology of fascism came, but they didn't believe in number of parties. They only believe in a single party. They believe in only single party. Believed their race is superior in the world. Believed their race is superior in the
world.
What type of races it may be? It may be any race. It may be white race. It may be black race. What is the meaning of white and black race here? Right. White people as well as the Negroes who are known as black people. Right? You are able to see there is a superior war. Always it will, the problem is actually going to get going on in the American country. The white peoples are known as superiors and the black people are known as they are not superiors. Right? Example, in our country also there are nearly 4 varnas. It may be Buddhs, it may be Brahmins, it may be Vaishyas, it may be Kshatriyas or it may be Shudras. And according to these 4 varnas, Brahmins are superiors. Brahmins are superiors. In the same manner, what these people believe means these people used to believe in they used to believe in war as well as they used to think themselves as they are superior in the world. They are superior in the world. As well as they were highly patriotic. As well as they are highly patriotic. What is the meaning of patriotic here? What is the meaning of patriotic? What is the meaning of patriotic? this ideology? Who borrowed this ideology? Italy. Means what? The countries which were defeated in the First World War, they highly believed in the fascism. But when the party came into the power, the Mussolini, fascist party was established by Mussolini. Fascist party was established by Mussolini in the year of 1919. In the year of 1919. Who established it? Mussolini established party in the year of 1919. How the great ideology was when he came into the power for the 5 years. He have been changed the economy of the world. He have been changed the economy of the world. He have been changed the economy of the Italy. What? He have been changed the economy of the Italy when he was in power. At last, in a short time of period, he became a prime minister of Italy. Yeah, at he became a prime minister of Italy. But after that, he became a dictator. What is the meaning of dictator here? Means you have to obey me, saying that hey, you should not do this, then you should not do this. If you disobey me, then you will be hanged. Or you must be murdered or killed. Right? Who borrowed the fascism? Very good. The countries which were defeated in First World War, they highly followed fascism, and fascism party was established by Mussolini in the year of 1919. But what actually happens? Later that he goes and makes both ideologies are sin. I said you, fascism and Nazism, both ideologies are sin. Nazism ideology, it may be fascism ideology. Both are sin. Both ideologies are sin. Then what Mussolini did? Mussolini goes and meets whom? Mussolini goes and meets Hitler. And plus when he goes and meets Hitler, he joined his hands and he made alliance. But what actually Germany defeated Italy. Unfortunately, Germany defeated Italy in the year of 1943. Germany defeated Italy in the year of 1943. For an example, Raghavendra belongs to an Italian country, and suppose he must be a Mussolini, and he belongs to a Germany country, and he is a Hitler. Both ideologies are same here. Both systems are same. Both distinctive theory is same. Due to that, both of them joined and both of them made an alliance. But what actually happened? Unfortunately, Germany, Hitler having warred on Italy and he defeated Mussolini. After defeating Mussolini, what actually happens? The people started hating him. Which people started hating him? Italian people started hating Mussolini because he had been defeated in the hands of Hitler. When he got defeated, actually he had understood that what is going on in country. On April 28th, 1945, Mussolini was trying to escape from Italy, and he is trying to flee towards Switzerland. At that time, he was killed by his own people with his girlfriend. Right? When he was defeated in the hands of Germany, he tried to escape. And he was trying to flee. With his girlfriend to Switzerland. But one day he was killed on 28th April 1945. And this is the end of the rise of